Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2022 Kia Forte GT-Line in Snow White Pearl. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot monitoring, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 30,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, split folding rear seats, 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number D6943.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.